Hey guys, this is going to be a video about the canvas itself. I'll walk you through the entire functionality of the canvas, what you can do, and what you might be trying to do with it. And I'll walk you through all of the nitty-gritties of it. So just taking off from what you would first see when you first log into AssistGen would be this kind of a screen. And if you are looking to clear it, there is a fairly bright red clear sign here. You can just hit clear. You'll get a prompt that says, are you sure you want to clear all? And you can say okay, and it should clear the canvas for you. There are two things you could be doing with the canvas. You could be either placing a sketch or an image for editing, but for both, the workflow, or rather what you would be doing, is the same. You'd go to upload. You could choose your sketch or your image from your folders and just upload. I've got an image of the internet here that I'm going to upload, and you will see that it appears here, and you will also see that it has the image movement and resizing kind of metrics. By default, the pencil tool is enabled, the writing tool is enabled, or sketching tool is enabled. The sketching tool right now does not have any kind of finer details like the brush styles, stroke style, all of that. Those are things that will come in, but as of now, the pen tool should allow you to annotate and also allow you to kind of like edit over the image if you're in the form section. Okay, so you can see the lines that we have added here and the image that we have added here. You can go ahead and delete those lines as well, as in when you want it. So something that you could be trying to do is just add a few more details ad hoc on the fly, and that our canvas will allow you to do. You can just click in here, you can increase the size, you can do your stroke color, let's say to red, right? And you save it, and you should be able to draw your stroke color, right? And these elements again can be moved, resized. So you have a resize thing here, you have a move tool here. So if you just want to like realign it, similarly here, okay. And then you can also look at adding some shapes, some basic shapes that we add here. You can just click, right? So you can, if you want to set your stroke back to black, right, I'm just going to set this back to this thing, and I'm going to delete this rectangle and add a new rectangle to kind of make it feel like we want you want this kind of a setup here. Okay, that should be it. And if you do want to save your sketch around in the canvas, you can go and click save, and it will do a download. You should see a download that happens, and if you actually look into your download files, you will see that your file has been exported, and you can see it here. So it will show you a fabric canvas, right, and with your edits as well. Now you could just go in here. I'm going to do a quick reimagine of this. We'll go more into the details of this in another video of form and reimagine when you would do what, but I'm going to hit AI narration. This is your easy, quick way of getting a narration from your sketch. Again, I'll go into the details of it, right, and then I'm going to hit reimagine fast. Okay, so what we did cover here was looking at adding an element to the canvas, increasing, decreasing the stroke size, the fill of the elements, save, and the few basic elements that are here. That is including some simple shapes, sketching over it, and then seeing. So as you can see here, it's taken this kind of element. It's failed to take this box below, but I think if you go in and prompt your this thing, edit your narration to include a particular square, that too should be included. So you kind of get the gist of how to use the canvas and what you could potentially be using it for, and the roadmap for canvas to extend these kind of edits to more detailed strokes, brushes, and other kind of sketches that you'd like to do. So that's about it for the canvas. I will walk you through the next in the next videos about a few more AI sections that we have in our tools. But if you do have any doubts about the canvas, don't hesitate to reach out. If there are particular features that you want to build around the canvas and that are helpful for you, please do reach out as always at labs.bucu.ai. Take care.